Good evening, all my family. Good evening, good evening. Welcome to Ngbo channel. Thank you for joining my YouTube. I'm seeing more followers. Thank you for joining my Facebook. Thank you for always liking and viewing my video. Today we want to talk about the Supreme Court. We are all seeing what is going on in Nigeria, the high level of corruption and intimidation in this country. One, I don't believe the court was just being born that way, maybe fire incident or anything. It's a deliberate act. Tomorrow you will hear them saying that there is no evidence, their evidence was burned down. But I want to talk to these judges and all the politicians that are involved in this act. One, this is your country. There is no way you can run away from your country. If you like, go abroad, buy houses in abroad and reside there. But you still remain that Nigeria citizens. One, I want to remind you, the country that you are running to, duping Nigeria and run to, is still human being like you that build it. So when you go there, you enjoy. When you travel out, you feel, wow, it's still human being like you. And you are degrading and fighting the development of your own dear country. The motherland is crying. Nigeria is crying. The land is weeping because it's a very shameful thing. Honestly, I regret coming out from Nigeria. If I have opportunity and travel out of this country, even my own child will not know that I'm from Nigeria. Even if they are picking gold on the floor, they are picking dollars, money on the floor. Nigeria stopped working and money is flowing everywhere. My own children will never live to know that they come from Nigeria. Because it's a total disgrace that we have nothing to offer, but the only thing that they can rank Nigeria is corruption. All manner of criminal character, all manner of criminal thoughts, that is where they can score us. Will you tell me that it's just an incident? Look at the burning fire. Tomorrow, just wait for the judges. No, wait for the judges. We want to believe that it's just a fire outbreak. Fire used to break everywhere in the house and whatever. Just wait. The aim is to give Nigeria that all their documents have burned down. Do you know that the case and other cases, both governorship and presidential case, is still there? And they have not given out the final judgment. So is it these people, are we not thinking of how to build this country, how to moderate this country, how to utilize our resources, how to build a industry that will develop this and bring in more employment to the youth and the masses? We are always selfish. Just imagine. Because of their selfishness, their wickedness, their craftiness, look at what is going on. Where are we going to this? I'm weeping. It's not that I'm weeping that the court complex have been brought down. I'm weeping because we only have crafty idea. We only have idea that can degrade the country. And it's a shameful one. Because our children is growing. For how long will you continue to feed your children? I so much thank God some of them that call their children big men, big women. Some of their children are in this country. And they are facing it in one way or the other. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about politics and all that I saw on election day. That's why I'm not blaming the politicians. I'm blaming everybody. The lecturers, number one. The youth NYC workers, number two. They talk about the INEC. I'm ranking INEC number 3 because they are not the major role people that they use in playing this game. The first people that, if I hear any lecturer say I want to go for strike, if I hear any school pim that federal government did not pay them anything, I will blast you people. Because I saw all they did on election day. These same people will come and be crying. They want to go for strike. Federal government is not. Why would they listen to you? Why will you hand over the country to the hand that you know too well that are not capable, yet you are expecting miracle? Look at the judges. Can someone still tell me that we have law in this country? That the poor masses have hope? No, we don't have. I keep on telling Nigerians we don't have court. We don't have law. We don't have anything. You're on your own. Don't think anybody will defend you in this country. This country is all your country. Anything can happen to you and nobody. The lawyers are only practicing liars. We have liars. Professional liars in this country. We don't have lawyers. We don't have judge. A judge that cannot tell himself truth. We don't have anybody. Or you is everybody on. Whatever you see, garbage in, garbage out. Just take it. Police can come and rob you. Court will defend every criminal as long as you can pay. Yes! That is the level we find ourselves. You can't compare Nigeria 30 years ago, 20 years ago to the present generation. Everything, all the system have collapsed. If we must build a new Nigeria, from A to Z must resign. They must sack all civil servants. All. And employ outsider that has mentality, because Nigerian system, they believe in corruption and everybody thinks about corruption. Nobody is thinking of how to develop this country. Just imagine. And tomorrow they will tell me no evidence. All the evidence have been burned down. Anyone that even bring anything from his house will be chased and make sure the person is being shut down. Look at. No, now we'll cry. Fire breaker. And burn all the judges and justice. No, Nigeria is so stupid to believe you. No, come and explain to me. I will believe you. I'm waiting for an explanation tomorrow. One mama put was cooking at the back. That's why the fire break out. Carpenter was repairing up. That's why the fire break out. I'm so ashamed of this country. And I'm so ashamed of anybody that bear the name lawyer, barrister, whatever you give yourself. I'm ashamed of you. Because, in fact, they don't have anything to offer than lies. Fake news, fake character, fake judgment. I'm ashamed. Tomorrow, join me this same time. I will come earlier than now. And we are going to talk about the incident that happened on election day. And I have some evidence to show you. That's why they are burning down the court. Honestly, this time around, evidence was so obvious that they don't know what to say again. They have to play prank and burn down everything. Because they cannot say, bring your evidence. We speak with evidence. Join me same time.